Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. This is the fourth video of the lesson The Fun They Had. In this, I am going to discuss the question answer, the long type questions of this chapter. The first question is, what are the main features of mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? The answer is Margie and Tommy were taught by mechanical teachers. They had large black screen on which the lessons appeared and the lessons were followed by questions. The students had to insert homework and test papers in the slot provided. They had to write down the work in a punch code which they learned at the age of 6. The mechanical teacher checked the papers and gave them marks in a few seconds. Their classrooms were in their house itself. They can get knowledge of various subjects like geography, history, maths by mechanical teachers. Each teacher was adjusted according to the mental level of the learner. They did not have classmates. Margie studied every day at the same time except Saturdays and Sundays because her mother used to say little girls learn better if they learnt at regular hours. Though the system of education was technically advanced, but the learning process was mechanical, dull, and boring for them. Now, the next question is, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie hated school because it was not a fun. There was a mechanical teacher which was expressionless. There was nothing new, no fun or laughter as today's school. Margie's mechanical teacher was giving test after test in geography and she was performing worse. Mother was puzzled. Mother was very nervous and she called the county inspector. Later, they came to know that the teacher had developed a fault due to which it was giving her test of a higher level. Margie was disappointed because she had expected county inspector to be taken away. But the county inspector rectified it. Margie hated inserting the homework and the test papers into the slot provided. She thought that the children in the past must have had a lot of fun when they went to school. She found it amazing. All children went to school with fellow children, studied together, same things, and could discuss whatever they studied in the class and help each other with the homework too. As the teachers were human beings, they would not behave like machines. That's why she thought that old kind of school must have been fun. Now the third question is, do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, I agree schools today are more fun than the school in the story. This school in the story has nothing but a mechanical teacher with no emotions and sentiments. It does not have the ability to understand the psychology of a child. Moreover, it guides a pupil according to its adjusted modes. But today's schools work for the overall development of a child. They learn the same thing. The teachers are real human beings who can understand the psychology of the students. Students sit and learn together. and learn how to adapt themselves to the new surroundings and cope with the strangers. Thus, they become more cooperative. That's the end of the fourth part. So, now I'll give you a few questions as an assignment. So, please note down your assignment for today. The first question is write short note on telebooks. Second, write in your opinion who is clever, men or mechanical teachers. And the third, explain the story told in the story. So, this is the end of the fourth part and this is the final video. Thank you.